Today on My Block Therapy, we're going to be talking about basketball housewife British Williams and her attorney, former attorney, Jason Korner. I witnessed an attorney go on Instagram, make a post about a former client that he may have had issues with. Yes, is Miss Williams is she is British Williams potentially a criminal? Yeah, she might be. I mean, based on the evidence and stuff like that, and her charge is being charged right now. But uh, what happened with the attorney outing her like that because she moved on to another attorney? It's kind of crazy, and I've me personally, I've never seen it. Maybe this has happened before, but I haven't seen it, and it's it just happens to black people. All the odd things happen to black people more often than not. I see. I've never seen. I mean, and is she potentially a scumbag and stole a lot of money from people or scammed a lot of people? She could be, but we've had attorneys um who defended criminals, rapists, the worst, and I haven't seen them come out and say, make posts on social media or in the media period about their client that they had disagreements with. They just took their L and kept it moving. And I'm wondering if this, I'm not a legal expert, but is was his actions and putting a post about her and what she didn't do right, is that unethical? Is that will that interfere with his license? Or is it just because she's a black female is just gonna go under the rug, and him praising the judge online, you know, will get him, free from any kind of unethical practices, the bar being spoken to. I just it was just crazy to me that he's well, we'll see. We'll see because something has to be done. Like attorney client privilege ends once you're fired, right? Even though you were hired at one point. I mean, when does that so if I'm getting this correct from what his actions from today is once you fire them or move on to another attorney, they could tell everything. I mean, or they could just badmouth their former client. Is anyone going to go to him after this whole showcase of what he did? Is his law practice done? I'm really interested to see if any black people go to him again, if that was his field. I mean, he probably doesn't care, but does the bar care? We need I want answers. This is My Block Therapy. This is Anthony. Holla back, leave a comment. I want to hear. I want to hear what your thoughts on this one because I was baffled. I know she might have been, she might be a crook, but does that warrant him as an attorney, as her former lawyer, the right to out her for what she did wrong after the fact? Let's talk about it. My Block Therapy.